Ebola is one of the zoonotic diseases that have caused turmoil to this country. When it comes in the community, it kills everybody. And this has left communities on a run. So it's a disease that will require a lot of commitment to make sure that we train, we educate our people, we create awareness to make sure that Ebola is prevented.
We all fear. Who doesn't fear Ebola can raise up his hand. The one who doesn't fear, he can raise up his hand. Okay, then it means we all fear.
But this machine makes it happen in the lab. It makes it happen in the lab and even much faster.
Uganda is located in the Great Lakes region of Africa. All this area has a very heavy tropical climate with heavy tropical forests. And this is one of the world's epicenters for viruses, deadly germs and bacteria, parasites.
Diseases like tuberculosis, Rift Valley fever, anthrax, brucellosis, Marburg, Ebola. We had an outbreak of plague in West Nile virus. They are all in this place.
And as people come in from tourism and they come in for oil, in the oil industry, we are going to have more and more contact between the people, between the animals, livestock, between the wildlife. And so the likelihood of transferring these germs from this region to the rest of the world is going to increase more and more. In addition to that, we know that Uganda is one of the fastest growing countries in terms of population. In the next 10 years, we expect to double from 40 million to 80 million. So the explosion of germs, mingling of people, mingling of animals, the struggle for food is going to be very critical. And this is why the program on biosecurity, biological safety is very critical. So the Norwegian support which we got to build the capacity of scientists to do research, to do predictive models, to do diagnostics is very timely. The new approach is to solve a problem from the source. So you need to build the capacity at the source to solve the problem.
I am on a mission to make sure that we have locally tailored vaccines developed with regard to several or good number of zoonotic diseases in this region to make sure that we transform lives of our communities.